Sure. Hi guys, good evening. And so, ayun nga pala no. Busy, grabe busy today. And so, since nakakapagod mag-content ngayon ng iba't ibang mga bagay dyan. So, ano lang. Ngayong gabi, let's talk about, ano nga ba? Let's talk about ourselves. Like, mga hobbies, kanon, mga pinanggagawa. So, first, ako na yung muna guys. Well, actually, I am a student. Siya nga pala. I am Jason G. Velasquez, grade 11 students. And my major is CSS, actually Computer System Servicing, which is ICT. Well, hindi siya madali, but I like computers, like, kanan. Diba, like, sometimes, especially ngayon, in this generation, napakagamit ng let's say, more on technology. So, that's why CSS yung kinuha ko, kasi computer. So, lahat ng trabaho is related. And also, if I'm going to get IT, so I also got a high salary, diba? But then, before that, let's talk about hobbies. And, of course, my hobbies is chess. I like to play chess, defeating the queen, cornering the king, and to win. Well, of course, chess is not easy. So, you must play it with tricks, ideas, and of course your gameplay and how you so that you can win your strategy. Of course, strategy is very important. And next is volleyball. I like volleyball kasi nga when spiking, but hindi ako marunong mag-spike. I just more on libero, like receiving the balls, and setter, like boom, ganun. And another is badminton. That is my third favorite sports, but I just play sometimes together with my friends because I more like to play takraw. I know a little bit about takraw, but not so much. It's just because I'm playing with my friend in school during break time. So that time. And yes, my especially our favorite food. So, yung paborito kong pagkain is, ano ba? Ano ba yung paborito kong pagkain? Guys, paborito kong pagkain is gulay. Siyempre, hindi tayo dapat mag-inarte kasi gulay is healthy for our body, di ba? Yes. And also, tonight, I am writing. Kita nyo naman guys, kung gaano kaganda yung mga writing ko, di ba? So aesthetic, demure, and elegant. So, ganun guys, this is my notebook in CSS. So, I have to take down notes of our lessons para, kasi steps to sa performance namin. So, we have to take down notes sa mga steps para study and then para hindi malimutan. Kasi, in computer kasi guys, dapat kapag performance na, or even though after performance, dapat hindi mo malimutan yung pinanggawa. Yun lang. So, that's all for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for staying my life. And yes, let's say it soon. Goodbye.